What's up guys, welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff. This week we're building this raised garden bed with these nifty corner connectors. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. I put new videos like this out just about every Sunday. The great thing about this garden bed is that it's simple. All you need is to either cut the wood or get someone at the home center to cut it for you. You can pick these corner pieces up at Home Depot. They're only about $3 a piece and it makes this garden bed really functional. First, you're going to want to roll out this landscaping cloth. This will keep weeds from growing up through your soil. Like I said, this build is super modular. So you can make a square with it, 2 foot by 2 foot square. You could go 2 foot by 10 foot long. You can make a U shape. The sky's really the limit. Just as long as you have enough of these corner blocks, it's easy enough. Next, you just cut your boards to size. In my case, I'm taking an 8 foot board and cutting 2 foot off of the side, leaving me with a 2 foot piece and a 6 foot piece. I do this 2 times. You can get them to do this for you at the home center. You want to kind of step back and make sure that it's square with the existing landscape. I squared mine up with the house. All that's left to do now is just put the boards in. Now you've got your garden bed. Now let's fill it up. For that, I'm using 3 bags of garden soil. Each bag's 2 cubic feet. Depending on the plants you grow, you'll want to fertilize them differently. But in my case, I'm just getting started with the garden soil. As you can see, there's 4 notches, 1 on each side of this thing. So technically, you could take another board and go out that direction with it. You could come this direction with it. It's super modular, and as long as your shape is a square or some version of a grid pattern, you can do it with this thing for really cheap. Another great feature of this is that it's mobile. If these were screwed in, you'd have to unscrew them in order to move this whole bed. But as it is, I could take this and pick it up and move it. Another cool feature is that I could remove this board and get to the soil with a shovel easy. So if you've got like a worm bed, this is perfect for it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you consider building one of these. It's super simple. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking below. Now all that's really left to do is wait for the plants to grow.